Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some oats porridge, pal style oats porridge. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. Click the notification bell and thing. So here we have some oats, condensed milk, some nutmeg, our vanilla, because you know porridge can't nice without vanilla, and also some cinnamon powder. So let's get right into the video guys. So we have our pot on the stove, it's on medium, and we already add our salt to it. And over here we have our blender. I blend my oats whenever I am doing oats porridge because I also prepare this for my son. So here we go. So now I already blend the oats. I will be adding it to the boiling water. And guys, I just blend a little bit of the oats. Yeah. So here we're gonna start because I love when my oats is very smooth. So now I will be adding the little bit amount that is not blend. So I always do it like this. So as I said, this is Pal's kitchen way how to make oats porridge. So now we're gonna make sure that we don't have too much lumps. Make sure it's smooth and nice. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and keep on stirring this, and so we don't have the lumps. Smooth and nice, rich and amazing oats porridge. So you have to have patience when you're doing these things. So I will be adding my spices, cinnamon powder, nutmeg and vanilla. You see, all smooth and rich and full of body, well thick and nice. And I also add some butter to my oats porridge. Yes guys, it's ready. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna be sweetening it with some condensed milk. And I also had a little bit of sugar to it too, so you got that niceness. Yes, right there. It's amazing, rich, healthy oats porridge. So guys, please remember to follow me on Instagram at pals_island_kitchen and on Facebook at Pals Island Kitchen. And we're also on TikTok too, and it's Pal's Island Kitchen. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And I will see you next time in Pal's Island Kitchen. And I hope you guys enjoy our healthy oats porridge, and we're serving it with some cinnamon crackers. Live good, love God, walk good. See you next time.